Hello, everyone. In this video, I'm going to answer for you a question on numbers. The question is particularly on interests, and it says that Liam is investing 8,000 sterlings in a saving account for 4 years. The saving pays compound interest and at two different rates. The first year is 4.5%, and the remaining 3 years is 2.75%. The question is asking for what will be the investment at the end of the 4 years, which means that Liam is going to put $8,000, sterlings, and after 4 years, C is going to have an investment, which is the principal, the 8,000, plus the interest which she took in the 4 years. So we need to know what is the investment. So the question is about the investment. The type of interest is compound interest. So the law of the compound interest says that the investment, which is the total amount, is the principal multiplied by 1 plus the rate over 100, all to the power the total number of years that she invested in. The problem here is that we have P is equal to 8,000. That's okay. And A is the amount that he's asking for, but R is two different rates, 4.5% in the first year and 2.75% in the remaining 3 years. So in order to get the investment, we cannot use the law A equal P multiplied by 1 plus R over 100 to the power T and put T equal 4, because the bank gives two different interests. First is 4.5 in the first year, and the remaining 3 years is 2.75. What we need to do here is to split. We will use the law twice. We have 8,000. We have the law A equal P 1 plus R over 100 to the power T. We have two interests, the first year and the third and the remaining 3 years. So in the first year, the amount will be the principal multiplied by 1 plus R over 100 to the power T. T here in the first year is equal to 1 because she invested in 1 year, and R is equal to 4.5. So in this case, we will have 8,000 multiplied by 1 plus R, which is 4.5 over 100, all to the power 1. This is going to give me 8,360 sterlings. So this is her investment. This is her investment after 1 year. For the remaining 3 years, we are going to use the same law of compound interest, but the principal is going to change. Instead of 8,000, it is going to be 8,360. 8,360 is the principal for the new year, the remaining 3 years, multiplied by 1 plus R, which is 2.75 over 100, and time is 3 years. This is going to give me 9,068.84, which means that her money is going to be from 8,000 to 9,068.84 after 4 years. This is the answer to the question part A. Now, part B says that Max invests some money in a saving bond, and the saving bond pays an interest at a rate of 2% per year. This is simple interest. If you understand here, the rate is fixed per year. So we have the simple interest laws. We have the amount is equal to the principal plus the interest. And we have the interest is equal to the principal multiplied by the rate over 100 multiplied by the period. These are the laws. Return back to the question. At the end of the first year, his saving bond was 5,763. Yeah, but after the first year, his amount was 5,763. This is the amount after the first year. How much money did Max invest in the saving bond? Now, he didn't speak about a different number of years. It's only 1 year. So it's simple. We have an investment. The principal is the question. He does not know the principal, and he wants to know what was the principal. And he's saying to us that he has invested this principal for 1 year, and the outcome was 5,763. And he wants, and the rate was 2% and simple interest. He wants to know the principal. So in order to know the principal, we need to write the rule amount equal principal plus interest. This is common for the compound and simple. Now, the amount we can substitute here. The amount is equal to the principal plus the interest. The interest is the principal multiplied by the rate over 100 multiplied by the period. The period here is 1. We have T is equal to 1 year. So the amount is equal to the principal plus the principal multiplied by the rate over 100 multiplied by T, which is 1. So it is PR over 100 plus P is equal to the amount. Now, we have the rate 2%. So the amount is equal to the principal plus the principal multiplied by 2 over 100, which is equal to the principal plus 0.02 multiplied by the principal. We can take the principal as common factor. So the principal is 1 plus 0.02. The amount is the principal multiplied by 1.22. Now, what is the amount? The amount after 1 year is 5,763. So he's asking on the principal. So the principal is going to be dividing by 1.22 both sides. We are going to have 5,763 over 1.22, which is equal to 5,650. So he started by 5,650, and after 1 year, it became 5,763, simple interest, 2% the rate. I hope this question was easy to understand, and looking forward to your comments. Thank you for watching and wish you a nice day. Bye-bye.